Hello guys, welcome back to the N8N tutorial in which we're building amazing AI agents. So in the previous video, we learned, we discussed about this particular wireframe, which is showing us the exact structure that we would be working with in our workflow. So now that you're aware of what you're gonna do, when you're gonna do, and what's the purpose of particular step, now we can start making the standard NLN workflow. Now that we're done with making the wireframe as our guidance. Okay, so let's go to NLN. Yep. In NLN, of course, the first step is gonna. Okay, so we are gonna select a folder from the list, and the folder is gonna be, of course, the one that we made particularly for this invoice. Yeah, invoices folder, and we're gonna watch for the we're gonna watch for the files created. Now let's fetch the event and let's see if it's working or not. So like we see, the latest file that we created was the well, you can see it over here. I think I missed it way before, but it has to be here somewhere. Yep, so it's this one, untitled document. So let's just give it a title so that we can recognize which one is the file that we want. So let's name this as Tech Wizards. And here we go, Tech Wizards. And we're gonna name this as Tech Heaven. Okay. But what we want instead is a PDF file. Right now we have document files over here, but it's not exactly what we want. So let's convert this into PDF files. Oh, in fact, let's go to File, download it as PDF, and then we will upload the PDF file into the Invoices folder. We would do the same with the Tech Wizards. PDF file. Once it's downloaded, we can upload it over here. Yep, so now both are uploaded. Oh, in fact, we just have to check for one of them and not both of them together. So let's see which one does the NLN recognize as being uploaded the latest. So here we have Tech Wizards, but instead we want Tech Heaven to be there. So let's upload just Tech Heaven. Yep, it's there. Now if we fetch the test event again, we can see Tech Heaven over here. Now what we gotta do after this step is, let's go back to our wireframe. It says that we're gonna extract text node. But before that, we also gonna make sure that we download the PDF file as binary data is required for us. Download the file. So let's connect the variable of previous node to this node. Let's connect it by ID. ID will go here and it will download the file as it is. So here we have the downloaded version. Now let's just update the wireframe real quick because we gotta make sure we're dealing with accurate representation of the structure. So here we would have a blue node, namely download file node, because we want a binary data to deal with. So here we say download file, because we need binary data. Okay, so here we have, here we have the file. The file is ready for us to be extracted further. Now there's a new node that we gotta add over here, and that node's name is text extractor. Extract from file, sorry. Yep. So extract from PDF. Yep. So it's connected. The data is here. And let's execute the step to see what the result is. Let's see in a table form. Here we have all the text in single line. And we are pretty much okay at this point. So once the text is extracted, we have to send it to the AI node to complete the 8 fields that we want. So let's just discuss this in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.